Hello everyone, so let's see what is there in cards for you all today. Again, we shall go with pick a card. This is our card 1 and this is our card 2, and I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide as to which is the card. Hope you all are resonating with the readings, liking the readings. So do like the channel and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to know whenever I bring in readings, and do let me know how you resonate with the cards. So let me give you a couple of seconds to decide the card. Fine, now let's start with the abundance card. Beautiful card. It's my personal favorite card. Trust. I always tell, trust in the divine and everything will fall in place. And the butterfly is more like, today trust in him. Angels are going to be with you. Divine is going to bless you. Everything under this earth is going to bless you today, and it is going to help you in achieve whatever you want. It is just that you need to hang on over there and have the trust in the divine so that you get what you want to get. Now let's see what the cards are saying. Another beautiful card, 3 of Wands. Again, enjoyment in your career. You're going to keep looking in for new opportunities to come in. You're going to keep looking in for new things, new progress to happen. And I feel something unexpected is also going to come when it comes to work, and they'll be happy that their work is progressing. Another card, Tower. Though it looks like a card of confusion and chaos, I feel the confusion is going to go. The lightning that is struck right now will clear the confusion and will give you the clarity to move forward in life. This is what is my feeling when I see this card. Now coming to your color, today wear something in light green, and today in the morning have a bath with Himalayan salt and a little bit of rosemary in the water. And also today I would suggest carry a tiger's eye with you or a clear quartz with you, if you have a clear quartz or a tiger's eye, and you will find work happening in your ways, and you will find all the confusions getting cleared away. Also, I would suggest in the morning take a lamp, or burn a white candle. Instead of lamp, burn a white candle and dedicate it to the universe, to the angels, to the divine, that they bless you with all the happiness and with all the good luck in life. Now let's see what is the card for fortune. Love is in the air, so maybe you should spend some time with your loved ones. You should spend some time with your partner, take them out, or just have a special dinner at home and make them feel happy, and in turn all things will fall in place. Now let's see what this card has. Courage. Another beautiful card. So you need to courageously take the steps to be successful in life. Sometimes we don't have the courage, or we don't face things the way we are supposed to face, and then we get upset and we feel that things are not working. But today take the courage and work on it. Let's see what the card says. Princess of Cups. A beautiful card. If you see it in closer, she knows something good is coming out of the cups. So something good will only come out if you take the courage, and if you put your foot down and then you decide, no, this is what I'm going to do and this is how I'm going to do courageously. Things will definitely come in your favor. Let us see what the next card says. Now, Hierophant. Again, it's more like a indication that surrender to the divine and just be rest assured that things will fall in place. Today wear something in red. Burn a red candle in the morning if you have, so that things will speed up, which is not happening in your life for quite some time. Also in the morning, if possible, have a bath with rose water, and also what you can do is you can chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times in front of your puja room, just dedicating the chantings or the energies of the chantings to the divine. Now let's see what the card says. Opportunities. So something is going to change. Good times is ahead, and a lot of opportunities is going to come. When I see this card, I feel some good opportunities coming. So I hope you all have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead, and hope God blesses you and fulfills all your desires. Thank you.